Laura Lynn, who would like to help Laura Lynn? Oh, she chose her sister. How nice. All right. And what did you study about, Laura Lynn?
I studied about wasps, living wasps.
Oh, good.
And this wasp just stung a beetle. And when they sting a beetle, they carry it to their nest. And when they lay eggs and their babies hatch, the beetle's right by their nest so the babies can eat the beetle. And then down here there's hairy food. This is a kind of wasp that eats hairy spiders. And sometimes it takes over its home when it finds the hairy spider.
Oh, thank you, Laura Lynn. Excellent.